Today I'm at 7 Trecarn Close, which is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property, probably built in the early 80s. It does have a garage for parking, and our vendors here have had the large drive all paved, so there's plenty of off-road parking. The garden at the back is very straightforward as well. It's plenty big enough for a barbecue and so on, and that's paved as well, so easy to maintain. You've got a conservatory on the back and 3 bedrooms upstairs with a family bathroom, all close to the town in a nice residential area. If you'd like to find out more and book a viewing, please watch the video and call the office, Webbers Launceston.